Hi, second grade. Here we are with the next set of lessons for you for science. I hope you had fun doing your activity last week. I think you're going to have fun with this activity as well. I'm going to have you make paper airplanes. So, you can use any kind of paper that you can find in your home, newspapers or drawing paper, maybe there's some old mail that your family doesn't need. Make sure you get permission before you take anything, though, if there's a possibility that it's something that your family still needs. And see if you can come up with two different types of airplanes and using two different materials. So you might do one of your planes with a piece of a newspaper, and then you do your other plane with a piece of drawing paper. So that you can compare them and see which plane goes farther. So I will go ahead and put my video bigger on the screen, and I'm just going to show you a basic type of airplane you can make. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it in half like a hot dog. So I've got my paper in half. Then I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it down to the bottom where I have the fold, and I'm going to push down on that, then turn it over, and I'm going to do my other corner down to where the paper's folded so that both sides look the same. So I have these little things that stick up right now, if you can see that. Then I'm going to take this top part here and fold it down to where my fold was. Turn it over and do the same thing with this one. Put the top down where the fold is. And if you need to pause the video to catch up, or you need to go back in the video to see what I've done, you can do that. But I want you to also see if you can come up with your own ideas, or maybe someone else in your family has some ideas. Maybe you have a brother or a sister, or someone in your family that could help you out and give you some ideas. But this is what my plane looks like now that I'm done. So I've made one out of my drawing paper, and then I would make one out of my newspaper or a grocery ad or something like that, so that I have two different planes. And then I'm going to go into a space where there's plenty of room, and I'm going to see which one is going to go farther. So once you have done your airplanes and you've done your test, then you are going to draw a picture of your planes in your science notebook, and then write about what you observed. So I noticed that my white plane went farther than my other plane. And then see if you can think of why did that happen. If you're not sure, then that could be your I wonder statement. I wonder why my white plane did not go as far as the newspaper plane. But put those thoughts into a notebook. It helps us think about what we're observing and see if we can find those answers on our own. In science, a lot of times we don't have to go looking for the answers. We can do our own research and our own labs to find the answers on our own. So that is your activity for this lesson, and I will be getting your next lesson to you shortly. We'll talk to you all in that video. Bye.